Onchumulilia Undizi TV ngokwane bene ase ntunda ende entunda yomwelio asomoroberio bwenza kyakiri tukuli jumani matenga abange baino nigo mwendrete bene wekirana service chaino abange mwachakire kolengelinga na ke weekend ye murabe moko yetumeka kigimana de matenga abange nigo manchete kobera asense melio tengera chigosori na boigo abande baba bagwikirana kogosori bali banchete kogosori bali bakogosori ya enkoyo bali bakogosori ya chigosori au handball rugby na boigo bali babuati chibesa kitoko tabanga bakwenda bagosori golf askurende mambi yabono tuwato mugene tse mambi yabono yora kumulikira amangana arengete chigosori seigo tubasa gusukagenda otengera ndiziti utara tukumulikira obuye bwe chigosori na boigo anemono astra toko asoria amange aliotomaiti igoro chigosori tubwati gwetera asenchera yumtandaito Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital and Semere YouTube Ndizi TV News alotera somtandaito www.ndizitv.net namba ya SMS ngene 0792192834 wakirebia
Wakirebia mukubwa
naki wokiete
biyani kabisa ni bya mwana wika TV ino ya Ndizi TV sasa mlitanguru kwa Jared Bundi referee ya handball ama national referee ane coach ya mpira wa handball Kirili Girls mpira wa handball mpira wa maoko wada machikaye garo kwa wikabantu machikabwa tuwe so ngano mpira wa handball ande ko komenta mono injiro mwana sport ngende sport chance football na wangu support football na support volleyball like now in England go supporting the Chelsea the Blues ya yono mwana sport yo mwana sana kana sport chende tano susia kila timu yetu ya kusi Shabana FC timu yetu yanga
ensema wala tena
tolebobe usiana batete ndo wasa go stimu mpira round lakini ndo ndo stimu mutu ndo mwengete sana aro ndo host ngasa mpira wa mogoro go support na noro no mwana sport yo mokongo
alright
kato bajo sori usia chance we kanto ko na ko brasa sport ya no susia ngasa njumba ta maningo wanja sport
erebuya kigima utatiga mangana arengete sport manyango yokore merimo yao na boigo nkyo kora se school we
njero mwalimu ngo somye school ya weske ya Kirili ngo somye mirimo chemistry na biology abana somria abana bange bakora biyasa abandi bari nyagitari abana nyagitari abandi barachi gasi mbali abalimu na akorere gasi ona so bwali bwane karango somia abana ningo begerinde sports muri abandi ba benefit ya bange kuri sports ito somia abana
erebuya kigima tumanyango ngajege kwa bete go chaka gutwara umusoria bwo gosori bose gutenenera egosori ye yo mu chieso boko bose handball tumanyango ba ndo bate chiko kochi abantu kinchira stanya ko gosori enkwa gosori tikoli na yigwa bete go chakira engane
mbia mona series iboli elio nchebuna na kinete ko rose utira korwa primary go cha secondary na just umbiro handball angatinga mbia mona so mwalimu Mr Moseti yole na wade senga taliki apira ero ngito district handball kana linga high school twakombira bya twanga tweka county tweka fighting well wana manyinga yo mpira handball kangira baka university ngakombira handball bya university still andora na changa bona ngalikwe gasia school yabo gara mate ande mwata bagare bambanye to ngana sport sana principal yana yalinge coach yo mpira kwa magoro na deputy na assistant coach wana balinge too much into sports waganto field wando kaba more serious even not kaba more professional asesemo ya coaching na semo yo ko yesirimbia so mpira handball wana train handball wani mbwato manyu wanga handball and no mwakino handball mokongo etimu to bwate abasekere ya to train handball ya bire timu ngiera ngonga kabisa atu awasori wana friend na bana kuswe college tu kubabwa to asenye tu bwa train bije na ndabana bwato manyu byenje bakumbira handball yobona se handball ngate ya sawa to konyire nimbwato manyu bonga simu mpiro yo mbia mano
erebuya kigima ninki kibete ko mu musobose go inspire ko gosorie enko mu mpiro yo wa handball to bwate chikosoli chinyinge to bwate rugby to bwate basketball to bwate football tipa tinga ngi kibete ko musa abantu abange bakomnyokera enkoyo yokogoro aingi kyabade ko umuntu wokomnyokera enkoyo usiko yokosolia nabo yokoba gogosomya igoro yogosolia ya handball
aso mpira wa handball umuntu monene kero kuriria chikosori chinyinge oko okekere gori abekirwe aso mpira wa handball okubechi gori nkore rais kombiro kwa toko boko kwa yole chance ukuruta kwa abekire gori wati gori chiro ne chinyinge wanga konyola ase le coach usole referee no celebrate kire ngakia se no chiko juba score ne chinyinge ebe timu go score chiko baka ikano 50 timu ira ngongwe waka ne timu ire week ona ya score chiko score chinyinge ona as a coach o celebrate more ona you are enjoying more kubombiro kwa magoro mbere wa magoro go score ne segi ona kitambo cyo kaso kuja celebrate nga basiko ire goli na iregeka ne timu ya handball no mbiro chake goli ati immediately ne goli asoire Yonabone as a coach, ogo celebrate kuiguye kwa goka. One kwa to mungso monene, one kama sabya kuli rumpiro handball, na mago celebrate kirenga ki. Na go liba score, and they generally go scored, even you as a coach and even fans, by guya. So techniques sinchiro jo score goli as handball. Kamo players score buya, when you are an fans, si ba kuiguye goka, no even players themselves ba encouraged. Go to keep on scoring. Ati mpira ndune wa magoro mpira yedonya wale goli score nesi gonya ngari ke score goal. So that's why na watu mungso manager handball na ndika handball ne bwate abantu abange mbachi ko sora abange bamanyo byo handball ule kumanya mapema. That's why na train bana ikire ama national level na ende na train abana abange kana ngara bauchi sango igubia ko kamono sana. Go nditale ko support abantu baitu bagusi bakombira handball.
Right, ebe buja kigima turuka usio nabwe kumurikira ane mono igoro ya mange alengete chigosori chitumaniango kera egosori nebu atamachikaye egosori ya handball tumanyanga machikaye narelia amachiko to chorire bichene nenga aba bosori mbalenga bakobera anse enkoye chiteka irenge go chiesu tumanyango igoro mo yegosori yasubwagale mbia mono mo chieso yogoro kwa handball utaita bachesaji baba kompiro yo saba gosori ebako ba sori 14 lakini abako begeti asenga kielie banda kucheza kompiro le tio actual time ebako wanafunzi 7 saba pea bachesaji 7 saba gosori saba bako begeti abo gosori aba ndubate goalkeeper na bandi batigirista bako ko mutubons asa handball ndubate chi position chi wa kompiro yo wakandi ndubate winger ndubate seconda ndubate center ndubate right wing twatwale seconda twatwale center twatwale left winger and right winger and left winger ne seconda from the left wale kompiro yo wakwa ama chikaya naro nokoro kwa handball no mpira kwa maoko aba tegere ba minto abaligeri ba minto ba ndis tv mpira kwa maoko no mpira kwa kuna wata bachikwa kirwa koboko twakira magoro kwenye arumpira mebyo kunireo ukogoro bwe play bwe mchezaji amosa mosere yomo kubone ko ba e foul yanda just team elia yakora magosa yo kunero ukogoro naende goalkeeper kwenye bate kwa loud ukunombira no ukogoro naende yao kuna intentionally akara go defend yego ne yakunombira no ukogoro ine abo atomo pira ndajo akora ukogoro che center ine foul na wanyo red card ya soka gombiro wandi bono wata machika mange alagina machika simple na wana tonya kumya kanu mpira more than 3 steps yoko enda steps sato kwa yale yonde kwa score sema kwa enda na go bounce mpira una kwa noro as many times as you can lakini uko kwata kubako kwenye hold to yale yomino usobeke goal ama chikana tuwata handball enaro aenda mange tuwata kubata handball na wana kama mtachi kubeke goal no wale opponent ya ulibono le defend mukunire yone ko be penalty as handball ndiko ka penalty yo 7 meter throw ya 7 meter throw ko penalty ande wa kuno mpiro wa moro gwaka no kuta no koboko we ko 7 meter kwa to jego lime ne ko bego ya ndiko ya mpiro cha center ndo cha ko football ngine timu ya score ere ko cha center elia very scored ere ko cha center na football cha center elia very scored so mna mama chika manga ora lenga sa football wale tu handball lakini tofauti ya handball na football handball waka noko boko ano mpiro le very interesting mpiro muya bali ba mito ndis tv no mpiro muya sana kero waka handball na kuna you are playing a good game because kutumekora mahoko kutumeka mahoro kumnyoka
na more the body parts ngije ni phobia sombiro gwaka even mind kwa ko munda wo twaro bongo ma ko mbiro andi because yoke sabu munda mtangi ko rumwe bachitwa sakumutuoma uno kune opponent yao kumnyoka yego kwa offensive foul on it ina change direction of the play one ikote ligenjira o penetrate weta sawa ndori mutu abagutangite basagweta uno iko ke sabu twaro bongo bo kolengera liare pero manego kale movement tego ta shidende umane for you to offensive foul is also called a charge so you are forcing to score uno iko ligenjira gweta sawa ndabarigetia yite tu mundu twaro bongo and coaching skills tiba igoro natikonya bana babitu n'abagosari bitu bakumbirwa handball nyako bakwendale
tukumurikira ensemo yende ntubwate ekosori ya handball nangani to company chikosori isato usikosori ibere ntubwate enkoyo football nabo igensemeria ya basketball tumanyange tobauti egati yo muchieso oria o handball nabo igo ekosori yenkoyo ya football nabo igensemeria ya basketball wali baminto bandi Steve mumbiro yo handball orusiti kwase mumbiro bwa maguru football mumbiro basketball eto wote ko banka se mumbiro basketball no yo handball ni zego liko bekwa akaro ko beke go mumbiro basketball okutumbira wasa basket ime ne karo ko bako mumbiro handball okutumbira go lire ngabune ya football lakini 3.5 meters ile ko bengete ine muna ya football ogwa yaboni ya goalkeeper wale ko tumbiro yo instead of wakano ko no ko bako tengo yo ligo ne reduce dengere no ko kuma score that's a difference mumbiro football no yo handball and basket no the same basket akaro ko tumbira kubeke go kubeke mumbiro je basket ime lakini ya handball ko tachigo lime na enda machiko ale handball is a contact game lakini as basket no contact tu mbero kuna na players wana kuna negati as basket lakini as handball ni allowed munda ko bwata so long as you penetrate ko so if you cannot move you can start now maybe a flash when mbere ko kumbiro handball eta wote no mbiro basketball as na gitikiro teba ne njire ko kubekwa na machiko na wana teba basket na woko base handball ko bato monto and teba magosa lakini as basket no contact mwe kurana pesa mwe kurana as basketball na ndete mumbiro wakwa as basket yo bachi hafu wakupaja hafu tiwa simba inye lakini asani poto bachi hafu ibere ngabona bono the same as football bachi hafu ibere lakini as hafu handball first half asa weske 20 minutes first half 20 minutes second half 20 minutes but as boys is 30 minutes no mbiro kure kake kero kombe mbiro wa magoro ngutakule wanda baka 90 minutes senye kulie golio mbiro football ne nguririgika lakini handball score mbango score no mbiro yo handball okuru ku indoor game ora si group ya badminton this indoor games yo se cha table tennis ono mbiro yekero wakwa uikoire chinga kichi to kimona ke kamana chiko score chiko ri raisi kunya romo buire raisi aso mbiro handball nere tofauti rasi kati ya handball mbiro wa magoro no mbiro basketball asensemo nanga nikumanyanga ensemeli ya handball ngutwara muri okomento gwechingaki extra time bose
ndo extra time akare timu ya ikire ya nore changani chigoli komendo ite kaisano kare igime bia ikira kiri bono bakiri mbira bakolre bangani chigoli bonse kwa ndo extra time ndo 5 minutes agati akore membe tikubwa naende moto kona chikwenda to under 7 meter throw ndo kwa penalty as football inani po ikore 7 meter throw umbira kwa 7 kwa to chigoli ime that one I think now from there 7 meter throw now winning is very easy because you can have maybe a goalkeeper no mokongu atango mpiro yomo egere timu yendebwe bona ge to ka extra time as handball ne kero lioka timu ja ngani chigoli but even in case timu ja bwana ni chigoli ye wote nero ndo ka extra time kero to mpiro handball ndo at the stopping of time ndo chire siko to te niesa tenga una football unless it's extra time for football but in yes lakini as handball uno mpiro ndasiko wote ne ole vari wote ni ko shit the any go signal the table just stop the time one there is no time wasted tio ko added in extra time if we having a win already you know to wote ko ba handball kwa mono na football ya mo
alright to kwenda asense mwende abuno mokocha tumanyango meroberikie yo chakwabeka usobisi bwa mboro byo buko bwa ebimina no
obisi bwa nebune coach kwanza no kumanya mupira wa handball kyo wakwa andi bono ko referee yangonyire mono kumanya njira ngwigeria wesikwe singo somia njira ba kumpira wa handball mekero meta machiko ngoberera raisi kuigeria abana ba njira ba kumupira naende uikurigiria mpira yendo wa maybe to call online kulinga ata players ngo bakaba international players ngo bagwaka you get a tactic from there kuigeria abana gerwa menya kwa kumpira in a modern way kana jitekera ligali simu akolia na kabere school te kisumu alia had a very strong team una jitekera liala mwakolia ngaigeria team ikachatisi compete up to the county korwa zonals sub county we are not scored even a single goal anana kitikota mapema mpira wandi po wachi urti nyingi ndio bikiro na yemo otajike county because bana mbato wale exposure mbato ranguri bako munyaka mono like bakarosa kabarosa tukanya tuwite timu okundonye gatoite gatokua lakini nende mwako yo ogochanda planet bya tuwite mwange mia ega tukunya tokubombiro ogocha tanda regionals abana bwate mbale disciplined ande mbale bya one as a coach ngenda kana ikoli abana bale disciplined and abana bakolengeli bwango they want to training because they have maybe they can throw, they can do what. We go mwana to a discipline, na enda tu ale urongobo wake sabu wango, era chikubeke goli, ayo kubeka chikuli tinga nda kosia makosa mange, mangu red card. Ngona mpira wa handball, ngwa red card na football, ngwa yellow card, paka ngwa blue card. Nani ngwa blue card, yeto to gas football. A blue card yere kuru ewa, ngwa nyole player era yakole ntu keteketali ya sports generally. Ngone player etu ero mondo na mate opponent mondo na mate. Murame, Rame referee. Those are good sportsmanship in sports. You know, play yako red card and no blue card. And blue card what they report. Nge play ye to compare na ende. Paka wake mne just carry competition yango areas. To compare no person ako disqualified. Yeah.
All right. Ense mo yendo mai to ko gatera no kwenye injusto. Yendo ngana to ko ka sense media ya asumono kinyamolo nga teamwork njira kiyo kwa bagoko ene kinga aba gosoli banku kwatira nabali
as a team a team ende yonse mo lirelia list TV abatele baito once as a team ende yonse nyamo twara bomo ane mutwara bura ya as a team kunyali kanere ngambo kunyara ko kubua naona as a team yani bondo bwate captain ya assistant captain Wikulia abagosoli bali bwate ntera yo kubeka abantu bande bose yamo bali bagwa kumupira akanya akanyora uwachibe timu yotwara discipline and focused atoke no bwata abagosoli bonsi bata discipline ndo timu rayo kubara karabali geti yabandi bakora amana abandi bako akurusania abandi amagoso yabona abantu bandi bakuwa geti players bakuwa ono ikwasa coach Kwiko tuale entero ko yomo captain mo tenelwe team legeti ole sober in mind temo to kuna kuramba bande geti na ndo kunya coordinate team buya wana se team yanbo atoko ni mo tenelwe team kwe captain abo muntu ole focused ando maite rules jones agara referee ako abo maybe obishete atete sa problem here o understand it gwango what the players msifanye hivyo no they mwenye ko inside the players no hii ni mbaya wasa wana kufight geti hata commotion ba red card mpira unaona wasalekira all team work as handball is a captain and the assistant coach also is incorporated well and now one have rais wana ko or see team ingia ya compete and the team is interesting and bakuligira libagokera
mate ayebuno moro kereria osokoro kiachi gosoli echi boigo aba gosoli balinkora balenga Arsenal game yagenda buya Arsenal tagenda buya Nikonyoranga chikota nchiro konyoranga barui batete kurwa machiko lakini bali gotegerera abagosoli nchira kiyo ko bagokwane kinga kwabere gokonyori feedback yikurwa asa abagosoli bao osemwa bwatera namba koranga ino mwalimu obo yani yabanga onko borokererio naende inkonyorore ebirengereri byabo nchira kimo gusanga naboro gwasukwata
injibno mwalimu aga to samira ni class mendo kwa ni class ime ko tadura ndoko ko involve learners because they don't forget about na ba ko basami class mo so na kana bo train ko de mami te ko te ndu na wa kora ndu na ba sikitu ate ya suti nyire na ko me ke bere isi astor to nya wa kora ko de ngona munya ko leke go chireke ko si ya gas mi bi ko mble munya ko ndu na mate mo kora wona sa coach we ko tegerere aba ko sori ba bali train so ko geria ase mo biro handball aba to bategerera na ba ko moyo abandi batiko tieso mbiro handball abandi banyole ba ko chetibo sai ko tu ko ganira ba chireke wono iko mo coach ego tegerera so moro kyo ko tegerera aba gosori bae bali akwegeria bona mna nche se timu yanengo geria wana bantu ya jita akora makosa na akora tegana matiro to maybe to mo advice sakole to nyantwa nyantwa ni chiba se team yetu handball yuka tuligenjera as players handball na coach to kole gasiamo to konya bakosari baito na bagure maybe they are giving them an idea and tuna na coaches to abategerera and to makobachenga to build banya ko ba team is strong and ba kama mpira handball wabwato ukonguswa mpira to waka mpira to ko on as players of handball. And that's what I think I can say about that.
Ensemu yende mtugu atenga nonyanga rilio monto akoba gakosoria emebaso kanongo chere ijaba gatoke ause injuries njira kiye okobanga oko handle mangana bunaya
as injuries juto ka handball injuries ju jabandi basing njonya maybe itimu limo kanero players mbali trained biya yame biya mutiasi wonja maybe jako kegori onye mo bwatu mo soje mago no mungsa yo no mutuoma senjo timu te aligani tibuya asa wako mupira enyewe kana to kumpira yo handball no kama teachers we school ko te tora abana ngalo kumpira team make sure kwamba nyama chiko anuma te njiro wako kumpira handball amana konyo mo inchali handball te race mbeno ko you know how to move nyali inchali handball te jaba race unless etimu limo wakia te bwatu manyinjiro mbiro wakwa ona nyalikana bambi baba wasari baobobe baba sukuma baba umisa lakini ma intelisi yoto kasani boje chinga sana yoto kanyinga ya very few
right ere buja kigima ase ensemo yende nakani kumanyanga wikira bono mkie koko bago kwegokeria ane mono kubwatikana ni myake yonse kwara kuroba kocha ane mono ase enseme ye yo ikosolia handball na ende mwaka kiyo achievement kiyo bago kwegokeria
njibune coach handball and referee achieve ibintu binge inyorete school yana sana so bagara mata ga mixed secondary school abana baba akira handball na utrain handball bakaba bana bite bali goro sana so bakompira handball siku na so miyange sub county abana because baba kompira bu handball banya the sponsorship bakanda Nyakach Girls and I'm told abana Nyakach Girls I think one school ne advanced ana umba in university once there are 6 of them ba waka handball balinga bana bali sharp but because sikuna yange ngake wanaonya maybe fee benya go support fee benya poato bu miruwa ka sabana sikuna so mid school ona wanya ko basi njona ma handball buya bakanya school ya bangu sile school ngia ikawabeke kwa support bata waka na fee ndeons wale time tinge jowa soma bakana university 6 of them wako na bali university school yana so mato bagari mat and mnanja asa handballer are provided as a coach and as a referee pia because I have a national referee license ngoyo jana bishitu mpira sababu kesi libyo mpira andos Kenya ngima nongo na andos kuna na mpira kilicho na wina kuru na wini all over Kenya when I go through that I'm paid that's why I'm telling people abantu wetu wagusi amana yichiko soli ngwa kanale aningo kiraro muntu umanyikana mbono ndi studio gaiga ya ndi TV asenge njo mpira tinaja asenge njo ya maybe masomo chemistry or biology asengo korabia na ende tinana kwa ngirana sinde una njukwa ni ura chemistry so korabia ina angeri wasenge njo mpira wa handball yo mpira wa handball na boko iro mwana usumontale andamanyikana be popular na ende usa konyeke nyanya konyeke wana bitu ba wa mpira wa handball senjo mpira tu bantu bangi basiro bangi mono yo kwa magoro unyoro kunye wache maybe mwana wa talent abakunya kunguswa usonyo itire buja ana university onyo sponsorship oso migufuri njibana na sa coach ngugunde buja mwana asometie ngayori handball very sponsored somewhere ana oso mafuri and na go kanga uchimutana kandi bano build timito build no build handball ndo kumekana popular se to yagusi ubona ndumune coach gongo go kamono akarongo raba osari bana egeirie bako sponsored abandi banyora scholarships basoma free abandi nanjibona sa coach ulisenyina nyora na manyikanire na ngo bandi paid na tereso bali ngo bandi paid yire byase nanje coach nandi bwe kwambo lina nde zatuko kwa popular handball nginyore tekana alinge Manga Girls na sama Manga Girls and BOM terms na trained team ya handball ya Manga Girls to know the way to count and we were very competitive. We lost at the finals to a team called Masosa Nyamira County. Kulipa kabo ngama ni manyikanita handball kana kwa ndando sisumbiro handball wakwa ngaundi bagana na appreciate na very fari ngaundi bagana ko na comment about what I've seen there say wakumbiro handball you know I think it was 2015 2016 that's when I was in Manga Girls Anani kazi kalinga wake yakene boda ni kama kama popular kisi tana code employed by TSC Kisumu County akai mixed in Sondo. One just na very recipe iko manyikanete asengenje handball. As far as I'm doing well in class no mwalimu chemistry iko manyikanete mono ande iko ngira sikwenda na asengenje mpira handball.
Ere bujate ma tukusuka bosona boy boso asense meri wono yoro refari tumanyi yango na kiabe ngeye ikirete bono okabago ko ambuka ko bomo refari na ende mbitambo kire kiebi wenda to mondo etero manya ko bomo refari
okobo refari no gutwara kwanza umunguso jase timu mpira wa handball na no go okomanya handball mpira ki wanje na ngachina chiko train ye timu yana iraje ko mpira yana ke bagantu bande chire bali chinde cha minto chiko kora magoso ate ba magoso ake ngo so minto ngora ngende ba kora magoso kuna twara munguso yanje ngene train as far as inde coach anje mbanya machika ya buja mnonya ro yasa ke maybe as a coach kora na ba kore buja no ba train tiko nyore bali akande kuna ngaboli ngete ngene train manya bano buja ngera ukana mwana ndina train ti abana na ge train all over ngere bali ukana kuna bone kangu munguso kana train as a referee. I don't know, train as a referee, I think it was 3 years ago. I trained as a referee level 1. Trained as a referee level 1. Nga obtain certificate here at national level, but it was level 1. Nga officiate. And then kamanya buya, ngeko arishia ulisia kukola magoja na magoso ndu ndo na magoso alinge tu angechi coach. Because sometimes even the coaches, when tumanye ama chikonsi handball as referees wamanya ama handball. Kwa maana kule coach, ndio ndio wanafunzi bakole, wana baya correct extreme basalia. Wana tulia referee to kumenya wana bakora magoso. Wana training yo referee wana yankonye mono kwanza, wana mbade team imata machiko handball. Ule captain yana wana utraining abanda machiko because na mwingine machiko na maitos na utraining team wana uta rules chani bijimando kubatiwa. Wana as a referee I think kumanyole mono mpirito handball kwetani umuntu ne coach imanye tu mpirito handball.
Okay, ensemo yende tokuba tokwenda kumulikira engane ijobo refari nchera kieye okobanga gukoba nkonyorole ogo taiwana nkore gati yaba gosoli na boiga ba coach kutaisaneka bose chi conflict ase egosoli ngakyo kwa bago chihando
magosongo wale na ne refari ngokorera magoso lakini ni unaji chikuli chikosoli chire refari ero go molika tere kiega ngia kubwatiwa lakini wanya maybe ndire kolekana yakolekana buango mono to kero na bantu bakara bangesikere bakarora wono ikobo mu referee ole tayari gotegerera ndi kuingia bantu bate bakusikani kwa kwana lakini ndikwa amure kyo kwa mara yote na kwa mwa and ba fari simba sawa tenga no niga no change your attention now you stand with it magwa tena mwate baigolende according to me this what I saw kama mliona hivyo next time I'll improve on that tuwasa kwa referee so rigid ego tewe ndo kwa merelia kwa nyoro bwate ule stable ngeti kwa wakosiria ya birese ya ndoro ne ngeti ndege na ngere faring nyoro tena nge sameta twanga no minto atuya mwe mosronga girls no minto Clinton ole kisi school aga twango bigompiro yo sameta ngwe anto be village patama itima chikande ball nyoro no bago force krendo tete ke penalty to de ngai machikali gali to wairesa understand twango ando ko wairesa banda ba minto ba kompiro handball wanya mbe batulu tramagena wesibara tamangana mageti wana sa referee wikatabe human awanda to bakompira n'chipani chiresika to baheresa manya ngia machikona ndi bona raya ndo basa kuba tole emotional we are ready to fight agategera ko nyorole o mateke mpimento manyigete jana ko moderate ngende kera and understand basa when you are rigid you are forcing and they must know what you know wikobate nginde kerega anya ni mwakara raigo next time ngwe mburu nango yakora Kerwa calm down bategerera mbiri wakubuya mbiri wa bujete basode sigiti.
Kuri ndo mwantu muri ya Ndizi TV no turabata kugenda asi umutimoko oromo kakima kuri ni kiturabe to kuira na to beto kugenda gusanga no mogeni cyo asimambi yabona sto kumulikira anemono amangana alengete egosoli area ya handball to basa kusuka to baskonera kuri nande asiketali ege tambe.
Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'umugusi.
Welcome to Luther Park International School. We have started.
Luther Park International School ni skuru y'echinse chamaiko iyo yachagitwe ne University ya Cambridge asere gwetanya chinse 151 amasomo aye nigakotiri umwana na komwali bagaligi yali kwirwanira asiti sector ao imeyense niko babwate birasiye uchakirekirija year 1 weka year 4 asibabwate bintu byokosomera bisaine unabono chikompyuta echo chikuru amasomo yekerero na mwigo mbabwate laboratory yekerero yani science laboratory niko babwate biruko byokwikaransa bisaine byabarokiwa ba year 2 weka year 4 mbabwate bintu byokobugya muziki unabono guitar, drum sets, keyboard, egatiye binde nikubabwate asaga ya asabana bakoragirira nabwo nabalimu umwana wosoma ase skuru ye natwarubuya wikwibwatanya ase chigosoli unabono skating wako pali wako mupira bw'amaguru weka karate mbabwate stadium mwenene asabana bakogosolya chigosoli naboigo bosire byego byabana ale nayo umwana gunigare bwatanya mune birabo unabono kelija drama na music kelija debate club journalism scouts egatie binde nigoba guchaka kwarigania abana guchakira emyaka ibere amaliganyo yani admission nigo egenderete nigoba gutuka asebara ya Kisumu Migori Junction hamwe n'inyagitari ya Busungo wigo nabo kubonyera gwitras kinamba cyabo inoti 72 cyanda eyemo 72 inye cyanda inye isaronemo wose inoti 72 inye ibere isaronesato isaronemo eyemo ibere isaronesato.
At Luther Park International School, we don't just have teachers but facilitators of education who are highly competent and very qualified.
ayumuremyi giata kurworo gonkorwo gusihi nikisemo chiyetanaine wono nankakinde yonsi talera eduka ya Enokem Agrovet Limited nichinsage chaye bwenyorera mariogo yugusyalire bimeri mugondo amoyo chimbusuro endagira yetugo embego yetugo amariogo yugo itekenyambi mugondo chi supplement chetugo ebichuchu byogotuga na yandamange naobare imiyumu chubusongo ansamangacho Akenyoro Farmers Cooperative Plaza angena Market Plaza Orosagironde nigorore opposite Shell Petrol Station formerly Falcon Petrol Station Naboigo Orosagironde nigorore nsemo ya Jogo angene skuru yobroso ya Jogo Primary Naboigo okoba kirisimi ilikoma nyamange Enokem Agrovet Limited growing healthier future one harvest at a time. Wula butambe kuruwo muchubo songo edukane ye muyuka ekoni bintu byugutumika nyumba byukoni asiduka okwagachira ebyubulimi n'ibindi binge imena isiko yorogonkorwo gusi Owuru Superstores Limited bunabono koni abarinchira ya wholesale bune sukari omuchere amaguta y'ikinyini echumbi amabere chidaipa esabuni n'ibindi binge koni abari icyuma cy'ukwagachira amabati emisumari chisimiti chirangi chisengenge chiwilbaro n'ibindi binge nigoba gukubugurira umusigo ekero kwagurire guikabuo asegeka gichinse 24 beka eoda yao ku Rwanda nsiyasure ensigweta usobatarire imiyo mu cyubusungo asamagacho AJM Towers Building angena Credit Bank gose Uhuru Complex Building angena Safaricom Customer Care Kisi usuba kirisimi asikinambechi Owuru Superstores Limited, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices or your money back.
Somo Kenya Owuru Superstores yonyolevi
ne no mwana w'icyanga cya mitumba kire cy'abana amuna bantabanere na nigo tagitego kinyorageka kyange bono Mama Tefi Mitumba Bells nigo akorobeire sabari ntambe asago kirete iregeseri na munwa
Mama Tefi Mitumba egotogotoka se Imperial Building igero opposite St Jude na ende RBA and Family Bank Mama TV ntubwate ebintu mbalimbali bya mitumba buna bono chianga chia bana, ntubwate chi household, ntubwate chi wood, ntubwate chi jacket, ntubwate towels. We have all types of products chia mitumba. Baka ntubwate bikoroto bonega ntu introduce ti bikoroto na some slippers, crocs. Igo toko barangeli munyara ko mogoja sama Mama TV mitumba, munyara ko mo kwenyorera emisigo ya Canada grade 1. Karo wachire Mama TV mitumba ntubwate obosemia. Ntuwanetia baligereri bali siko bali batete gochaka biashara bachicha sama Mama TV mitumba elinde banyare ko bakonyora oboseminga nakiba wanete bachaka biashara bya mitumba inki batakire bakore ko bwate chiri busta na 500 sama Mama TV mitumba kwanyorere karo batokere number 1 elindo nyare ko bagokwanda na karoki kenyare ko bagego gokonya
atarere imiyumu cy'umusongo ase nyumbere ya Imperial eyo chirigeraneti amune nyumba ya St Jude ground floor room number 1 na number 2 akesi minakobeka eoda ya olero Mama TV mitumba bells
abiro kama Mama TV mitumba bells ayudo bag maber at a low price bada wewe welcome
Uchakia gosekogenderea obonchore bwa mitumba inchumu wa Mama TV mitumba bells.
Ndizi TV obwansu bwomugusi.
Chumurulia Ndizi TV mkwane bene ase ntunda ende ntunda ijomwelio asomurubiri wensa kiasana usanga no mworokia ole boigo refari ase egosoli elia ya handball tonda usanga nere amange nemono alingete egosoli ejo kwa biro kwanera amange watebanga no mworokio chemist ne boro tukoranga nemeremo kwamba ko banga neme konwasa borokibwa abange njira kieye ogokora amangana erengete chi equations andi kwakora na ere twakora na enda single njira kiyo balance amangana abira ayebene
Biamono kwali baitu ba Steve na bategali baitu bons akarogo kolegento goikomanya ntirogo beka byose biranganana unyale kanere unyale refari rengia sana use coaching sana asenge nchito nya gukora mangana ali kire gasi akora yumwe bone rumwe twende kora gasi yumwe mu byebe byarrekana onya support yeko be nguro ni sikuwa soso miye kora gasi yao ire karo kora gasi yao buye lioli kiro kora gasi kwanza kora buye serikali kora buya no even the support ye mukubu wesa kora gasi yao au support mwe gasi lioli kiro mbyo onye kora ndibune mwe chemistry na biology ngora shite tiko base bana bana gweta mu chemistry ba kora bya sana asenge njo nyaraba na kaunde geti ba jama muri masari gine geti ngwa mpira ati ko trainer je kora ki mtu bya chemistry wono ikuriye ntira no mwalimu ogosomia na ndo train mu mangana sports weko mwalimu mungaini uriye ntira kwanza ora rosi mini ye class yeso mtu byo somi egere no wana be school na bantu batene school boss ba go support wanya alekana ngono ole coach lakini ole coach uri mwana osomi you are into coaching you are into something okakira alongside maybe you are missing lessons, you are doing what? You want to go to mangana mange no support yabo ra kura se school. Wana una nche mwalimu ende tani kura kole mini ane rebuya. Make sure mini ane class na ro sirim biere. Wana chemistry bya ba okora. Wana wanje chemistry. Na se nje sports, ngo understand ni mono, nje ngoma kia wanafunzi bakole bya chemistry. Mane nje na wanafunzi, maybe ya right to concentrate na mane ngoma make ba live in class. Na kero osomia ati mwe sports. Kuta kwa mwalimu le live kumekia wanafunzi baba twala munguso kuja mwalimu so mba twala interest kile abo wana yaba risk kusomia wanafunzi kwa kana kwenye njivana se coach kwenye anako maybe am having a class like saa 10 and games abana bate ko games mara kali ndipata kwetu bije class ani otekine time no ati ko trainer ati kwa konya right chemistry kwa na batu na bagiye ko ruwa na kora na magana ko trainer mpira handball ngo te basa ko banga as a coach you are in too much into coaching wewe ndiko ngora kwanza we go balance byose binyale kamyo sibe buya lakini ndio ndo challenges ni coaches kwegelia abana buya ko form 1 form ya kabiri ya gato eke ya kane naona wipya bali mbara bale batamayitima na games buya Wana tenga wana ba form bas ba kompira wana ba kosa date ni class wana baita matemu. Inchibuna mchezaji mu mpira wa handball na nde mu o supporting the best VM chikosa chile Kenya ne sio siku itengima. Mwata ko matemu asinge enjoy participate in sports. Mwana kwa matemu kala ko libintu biri ko change direction ya maybe concentration ya nanse. Yero mwana kwa matemu. Mwana le class ime teko so mate kwa kompira ya singi class male ni ale stress dapo. Lakini yeye mwana sports, mwana kwa sports yame kiti alimo kama maybe kama alikuwa na stress yake umwana twara bono refresh obongo osamanu bwata buye naende ta kuiba yobono ikatulie njira mna nto coach ne chire fari to balance bintu bye class no kurumwe mwe pansi bintu class ibya doctor bansi bintu bye kitali no no train mpira mwana mepira lakini dogo sabana ntu dogo sabana ntu bali teneta so kwa chigas na watu understand watu support egera wana liba kumpira handball baba sabi kwa watu wana wike form 4 ya work maybe form 4 wana amanyi kumpira buya wana kwa supported kumpira wana kumpira ile note every day kwa ndiketi okwa ndicho sali chire wana maybe wana handball te bwati chose chikwe tamu ntangani ndo bwati sports cha handball ne mwana wike form 4 na ama tu handball buya agwaka buya watu bako bango kwa liga sona ubire sharp ubire bongo wa kongire mwana wana don't go for sports wana kwa very classy wana nduto wasava nduto support academics to so mi to support ya kolega si to support ga siala kana buya na batende beto to wasava ne saba konya ni support wana tu amanda tu train riba manje kwa mpira wa handball ose mpira yose chose kwa jumla mo support ba kaba kule njena to mpira wangu ra fofo gago mpira wangu university first year paka fourth year ani na participate in games ani na in music I'm sorry na got the music from 1 to 4 na got national level I have national certificates cha music injinga affect academically if they were to affect me by now singekuwa mwalimu and I'm a teacher teaching those subjects when I was teaching kongu ona ngoma music na mangana sports janga affected na kunyala koba asene kire bono iga wono ko saba bantu bami nto bonse bakusibita so bali Kenya ngima na usiyansi ngima so beta kato support ya mwana michezo na to support ya mwana masomo mbuya ro bata biyonsi ngo bodi buya wata mwana masomo wata mwana chikosoli to wata ngawe ko la masomo ka ura ko la masomo buya nyole e play no ande kusole kosi gasie ko bole wani ndugira kole wetania konyenga siri kwa kosa meto konyora na njibone gano mwali munde na wangu ande weekend imbe mbiye sirimbi ngola mwana sports ko kidogo ikanyona yo reach ba sanjira na nyumba asenge njo nguburuka mbiye tubyo sika balance yose bikachira na byose mbiyabira masomo mbiyale amani cyo soli mbiyachire ubona ntubuna chikochi chire fari na batene bida so kwa chikasi tuko basaba tuwatene twese yamo twasi team chingia na bagere wa team mata bagere wa team chingia sana mata bagere ba usaba team chabo ngato abaji basoli kusia mutinye ande to yate chamaga kusia ebale okora buya omicho sia sibo bagere ba okora ba to kusia ya senge njonga tora para pakongo to bwa asenge ba ko beke support ande ba kwa kole asimo yamo agere wana gere mpiro yobo mata ojo konga kubuyo ito wanto usaba to balance ndo ka byo to balance byo sibinya alikana anatingo ya ko tebanga na wana bagere matanga masomo bai gweta ngweta bale ande bakora sports ibone kare ko balance buya wate support to kwa ntu igwana muno yomo ngobere raisi proceed team chingia ande ko support imi to kora yandra mutu byana konyora kandi bitu mbire mutwe wawe misa kwine bire Kenya na bagere ba mitu bai mata bakore buya sikosoli bakore buya sama somo kora na banda bangu bakotemo mwana tenda sumbika sindu mwana ande ane kachigazi ndu mwana ande kanga ndu mwana ande siku chawe mata ejire ndiyo kwa bya sports na wana handball kachigazi si chawa sumbi cha engeli jono level and they are doing well academically you want masomo tako affected na mwana chikosoli ekero abanda bonse baya go chama baigwana bakolega siamo ba support ya masomo na ba support ya mwana chikosoli ono kusaba bantu ba minto bonse na kulimbero ba ko te bana babo ngetu baswa compre school uje go affect kwa matemo njibuna umanyiba na manyete Chosari bienda well disciplined, go make your refresh mind, and yes, move what wenda kueva. Kubua, koba board in class all the time, one of some all the time, na wana koba iko too much, one withdraw, na yako some with kuba ndai kunyura. Wana usaba ndwa minto, support ye mwana chikosoli, support ye mwana masomo, mbuyo mondatu wale bionse. Awade certificate A plane. Mwana sports ina ama itubya na watu manyendo mwana sports. Ngoma ere bujya na yaba advantage, aso mundu wate bionse. Ekira abole yujana wayo okonya
ere byekima asense moyene konyorol die munda ko genda asense media echigosoli ebirasimbira ko banga atari wikirana gose byami ebirasimbira mwanafunzi atari wikirana njira kiera abaga ko banga no nyata chitikira tanda de ndikira skedio bera konyora mangana ali baba tibasoma
ali ndi buli ne buli ya sana akato kwa na chikosoli abana bagoje ba misire sini amosi ibere lakini mnaona nja singo so ibono sindi siku yana sindi bono sasa basi dole mutu atame dole mutu eto kura mapema wona yaba rahisi kwaenda mangana chikosoli nyete kunyalikana mwana ya kulisira basi mapema maybe na wati sira basi akora no chiri chikosoli igagocha obuli mwa muri osa mwe mwete mwa munange sports ngena sa ya bata ngese nginde ko basora sa maybe tubati pia teaching class ana bamona kali class me gusinya muri mwalimu bana bali bale focused andi chikochi chiko irekeza abana buya kumatolinga ngwa mysterious ni amanzi ena ngo buli mwa mwingi baso metera ko eresa to chakonyora wa drop iri salita mangana mu biro mangani chikochi chese rwili yeta mwana katolia njira mna chikochi to saboti abana ndo bagaidi buya ni ba mystery lesson bali yo mwalimu bamuboli na ngwasa mtima mwana ngo sports na alinga to konye ndikimanya mu eresa mwana lesson ya mwana bakora sutini wo 10 minutes kuigula no yombo yobona ngo saba na ndi coach kato support abana bawa ku mupira na ni bako ande ba misire so sema musnibere to ba support to ba guide nya bako ba guided by teachers lazima mu ba ta tendeti ngere ba guided nya ba ko biasa mangana masomo na bako biasa mangana ye chikosori
ensemo ya wakwanira una mwalimu go balance ono kwanira nga banafunzi njira ke bara ba go balance egati ye chikosori na boigo ensemo elia echisemo
abana ndira jote abana baito bagusi ngero balance bya mwana chikosori na mangana ye chisemi agende ketanga ni komanye nkigo kode school alingi ete koba maybe oto somo bu myagitari oto somo bu engineer oto somo begendo get we go be focused ngendo get somo be kwanza one kama na chikosori ucho ete mebona koleta imi lakini kule focused tubasa kuiba igwete kuchikoba in live oto ina bana bandi bo ni ba ko bya sana kumake sure bambia ba ko classini bono yo le assistant captain yanyo imana suchikora bega captain yanyo B+ uchikora na ya B+ ngoba tebinde kana kadorege ti tubasa kuiba ngai want to be something o plan to go in life you have a dream what you want to be live if you want to be the komnya getari obo moro kerelia obo morokia obe maybe o engineer we come kia bana aba understanding wete ko bakwa ndo baga idea sa coach tubasa kwa ndo were ntuge muse batenga masomo mbosa wana soma chike msichoka injo manyena ikonde kangu kwa na sengenjo ni ndo mwalimu ni somete ni madewe ngondo kara ngwa ko village manyo ata my studio ya Ndis TV Ndis TV sikire wana onde masengenjo nambe yamo nimbo ata masomo na nimbo ata umanyi mwana ichikosori ibo bono tumekia abana baito bato gosomia tubate na bibuli baito tumekia abana bakora chikosori chingo kora babye klasime kwa maana chikosori chiko mengi mwana yo kale sharp okonyora ari ako ngo bali mo focused ona nyame pio so mire tukolima wana orosi mo ngo arosire ono mnyeketi yake uli fresh magana masomo ni klasime inya kale abana bandi bate banga mubili bate banga mwana janyora akona sponsor yake kugwa I think ninja to kumisidia abana onya batme pikabato kumanya me pikabato ko ngusukete chasa mo cheso kete ono miss that opportunity to explore ndaje konya ke mokonya se ase chikosori yobono ntu na njo kwa na mno mwalimu na ndubune coach tigatoka idia abana ya bamenye tira ba balance amangana sports amangana chikosori na amangana ya mchisemi tuise ko ba ira into sports too much mono tubatika mane semi ana baba sekonya ndo fail na sekonya maybe ugudido from life babe mwana ole bosa ana bana mbaro baka sports bari bijecho se bari abaya uga bana bamura ndako kunya sole asenge nju batu umanyi ole gisemi ngire ngo baro mungaini wo to kola semi bijano wo muyasije mane chikosori ngobere raisi ko molded and ko balance with the viewers aso mu aso chikomenya jimotwa
ire bujaki makoleta bana mbaro konyoranga asenge nche kirasi mebya musinyire tebanga tiganta mere chikosori abana buna bekero ko banyora konyoranga tata go focus ase chisemi era gata ko bera chikosori ryoka bana buna ngiko bagote kwa bakonya
abana na watu buna sangi sikuna so before nje sikula sende bona iga bana umba lenge sase amasomo kotamana ngo ba guide andi anyakati ago sa class teacher asa bana banguru abangi bakompiro yo andibo bana bakona watu ali munguso kulingana na bametu mwe muyo kwa somo bakachira sa andibo abangi sana baje bakandi piga sikiana nyora bale asa masomo mbalense ani ngo bati ku primary utira wase mbalense mbali ko nyora bye class ani ngo baka inanga bati do your best tema okora soko nyara tasa nga bitu ku utiko kora igasa okora soko nyara nyora your best grade mbia no nyora maybe you go score C play na masi minus when you have done your best tubasa kuwithdraw komplete bana nchiti ku class ime kanga kumupira that's not good. It's good that mwana atware uko sukumwe sukumenga ndati konyora ngole my best asema soma aya and makwa ndasoma ngana ball games amena atwara opportunity ngia na maybe kwa mano chiro England chiro Italy afane lokwa nige songo onyo lenge okole osiri skuru ata ndinya asoma kuditwa katika pi ngobera akumu mwana oyo uchikomenya nabantu ane skala ndino ka talent wa kumpira umya umanya wa talent wa kumpira umya na maybe tai umya class mena wa talent umupira asoma mbele sikosa chine chance tika kwa sabe kumukia anyo ali yakonyo get the best grade awe kumu kabisa maybe anyo lesine C plane C plus usine ole kera anyo get the best grade anyo kia aina bege tumukia akosoma mono tabasa tebenga mono nchitiri koigwa tuji class masoma nyona tikiri na kumupira ndi wadu basibana yasendi rumuntu yumwalimu aninga itamani ise mono pia abana be kumukia se school mwande teku kwasa ka tote abana buye wadu se abana buye mate teku school memna ba ku withdraw ane kwa attitude ye moja sama somo one as coaches tetuna ndi initiative ye no ntona balimu to advise abanafunzi aba batu ala attitude ngia babe twara moyo gosoma na ntoba gaidi kwa mama ndio tamanye mwana kama ite mana tangia kwa ndio ya moyo muri okwana yose fluent kwa mpaka sokora inga ata mate ngime mwende school utote tumeke bana ba understanding uyiwe school ndaisi to bagaidi buya as they are doing well in sports amo sama ngana chikosoli
ere buja kima mbaro bande to tengera TV ande TV mambia bono bale to kugulia mabojo ndo chinga kwa kwani de buja ndo chinga egosoli na ara egosoiri kuleni ndigeti nenje ko bomo kocha bosomo refari mbose mikiora bego kuba eline ko bomo kocha bosomo refari gwekene ko kigoro
abaligari baito bonse bandi TV na bategali baito bonse ngwali ndi bali bate interest aso mbiro yandibo nechiso chose ko jumla keto chetro sia mane chiso gusia ndu atwale umunguso jasa bantu bonse uli bate interest yandibo no welcome nturi bantu banga sandibo so we need more bantu mu chandibo tutri ndo bantu bange to city mitengo nguna gusia ndu bati timu yo participate se league we are working on it letro city mu ndo Clinton na Kiss school mu Kiss school we are working hard to city timu ya handball yo cha represent ye abantu bitu bagusia se league ya handball Ikobono ikobate interest twakaribisha njwa sandibo twase timu pamoja ena ndio wetu ke timu itale to ane wetu bagusiba twale kewa bakolega sero ba tractor kaliba niko Twitter liba ndai sisi ko jiba kompiro yandi pasiko gali na ndi chose die cheka no chikora bya ndo bata chisemi chingia ndo bato bungaini na wachuko irale asenge ncho abantu bato bakora ba scout ga bara mu the best players bero chiko train sisi kali bakonuya I think Kenya ngote matore kini ndole saka ndoi kwangu bya ndo bakora skali sisi kuna jawa Italy nini no na ndi pere more in Italy and other countries which are Java England. To is a conya to allow team ingia go participate via say league to ya Kenya. Now when you get thing about your Munguso, you have to turn your players to compare outside the country, when you are well paid, but about your players, one young talents. No one don't Kenya get as India Conconyora. When you're to an Almuja, some is a doctor. And you participate in some ball games. When the room one very attracted with this car, you sound like you are so most players back on Viasana outside the Western countries, about Viasana. No more can per week, or even 7 million per week. Can participate via some nature solid. I go no, what they learned about the interest to our country and just hand Pomutri, no much coach, to no much referee. I never raised you and to Sibaminto, or city material, with a Korean Congo, but the Kenyan not by Shabana, to support the Kenyan who see at 2 players to us. To the team into handball, Shabana handball team. To support the twins, I got to call a Kaneki near Tanija handball, and to our Bantamanga, we are increasing population. We need several games to become a bit or about to participate in opportunities. You can even go maybe can even to Canada as a player, but if you pick up if you are a doctor, you get the opportunity of becoming a doctor there, where you are paid well. You want mana sports, to Jama twins, to what run, to legitimate gear, and ever is called. O kwirabantu bitu chiko cha serikali country
okobole kwa utia serikali na baiga serikali ya county associate also ya handball kokeko
serikali yetu ya Kenya na ya county na Mira na Usii Kisii county yongo boli abara bitu bonse sababeta peto support yo sori ja sengenjo ndime kya basai bitu bando bakuri school bali spotanya gasibya banyala bako engage banyala bako busy. And that way, when you go interact, when you have opportunity, maybe they interact and they share. Maybe they are playing in Nairobi, they have someone there interact, they can even get jobs. You want to have a bit of see once in our situations, Kenya sports. Let us support Mona sports. It is very easy and very good for young people. when they are participating in something. But if we find that maybe they are withheld, they are only good in academics and that's what they know, it is when you are a monopoly of something, it's not good. It's good that you know more about you know a little about several things other than knowing more about one thing. When I'm going to say on the way to get one way to see about Kina, one way to see about Kina. Passport is talent. Naende bawe yange ko Rosia no nibiti aswaga mpira no Kisii County ndo watu mpira ndo watu wa mpira handball sanindo game manje mimi ndo watu handball you only use open door. I think I was going to go to Kenya ya usia bara kumbe wa handball wa keruge tisi kasara mande wa keru indo eti kama ndo ni basketball kila siku kile usikire uya na singe nyo ndo ikere kiwange kitu ko sabe serikali chetu watu aroko konguswa passport timu yetu timu handball kusia even one field emena Kisii Uganda open unite governors wa unite ba city kama handball ere tu ara munguso kusa bana bange bantaba kebazi bakumbira handball no tubata mwana football. I think every village tubata ti football bakumbira football kila village kona chiri kinchiro kusia lakini handball tera tuara kiti handball kero sirikeri standard ya kumbira handball tubata kama ya Super Afra Stadium. I was privileged, I was there April. I think I was kile sana handball. One go sababu ndo bagusi baita bara baita bagusi ndo what sports and the culture ministry in our counties Congo request abara baita ba sports bali yentera ba people live in one field and then you can passport umbiro handball even from primary because I think most of primary schools mba kombira sengenjo mba mpira umbiro handball is very cheap, 3,000. One if they can support even the ministry. Maybe umbiro school umbiro handball umbiro the school umbiro balls now train. It is very easy for students. Unaona bana ba primary wale mungsuru ba umbiro handball geranya ba kugiro tanje ko kwanda guro ko nyama bitu bagusi.
Singe njono tinge biro bebere kumnyoka kegima na boko bwatoka enkwana yawo yo mwelio asemambi yabono na boigo obe goko irane limbya mona abantu bale bane ndose nawe wabere bose nawe gotoma makwani mambya ba.
Naende gole limbya mono asa kabese TV itengia ya This TV. Atinga bali boito bonse bandisi na bategali bonse ndwa TV itengia ya This TV. Yazoya no opportunity yoko tuara osango kwa se mambya yabono esakia. Injiro na chikaota mapema tikatulie njira na aba chikochi ne chire bana bantu bonse bagusiwe twabeta turashtimiri chingia. Antomo tote yabana baito bali baukina bateme ko diversify what they know bamanye mitebe ngemono kubwa mono kumenyise mena meto muntu kumanya mwana chikosoli ande ngore ni byamana sabarai was handball kanyengima bakubanga training chigo training every na also training of coaches ngore ni byamano no mo lero nasiko sa miskuru madam Dr. Tabita siko samia principal yana ngore ni byamana singi na support nga train level 2 handball amna coach level 2 amna the bari level 2 because of the courtesy of my principal Dr. Tabita Mogonchi. Na endengwe kwa ne bantu bose kwa my mother. Uli konge onkonye saboti sama iso semtu kasoma zuka kwa bantu bona iga. Abantu bose kwa kwani bose asabeta my wife bose kwa ninde. Asaba sini abarae ne This TV na asaba ne ko meko abarae ndawa igulire mono. Nya ko moko totwa inde bimni chiga bantu banya opportunity ko mwana maya ichikosoli. Na mwana isemi na bantu wetu bagusi bose I think I was almost forgetting. Ngokwa know the coaches and referees bagusi. Asa babeta bon sipi Mr. Buba. I was comes I think in Kisii County. Mr. Musaisi Nyamira County. Was go under my guy Mr. Mosetie kwende ane coach ane kurangu primary kule secondary. Was go kwa ninde. And also my principal was a school Madam Rachel Mengurta I think a few weeks ago. From girls. Yeye alinisaidia when I was a student na support ya sana participate in curricular activities na pia nasema JSM. Ngwe ni mono. Leo mintona mangi asago sini mono. Asoko ngo opportunity kwa kula This TV.
Alright. Ya mono. Kigimambe mono suka na studio This TV na we okwanira amangana arengete chigosori ime yumoro berwensa kyantoli kopwanira siasa choka ngubona torebirenga tolenekerenga gosemi na we obukine kurwa sekenenge kamoika kende mwanchumuria on This TV abuno toratokira omwali umoro berwensa kimambi yabona kolende matenga ngoso amore wikende bari otumukale tabane irimo mutwali tukurikia otumukali tukuria ankio happy preparation day tumukadi tukole Jumapili mutwari ibada ingena bwo chimisa chinsemo au asemurabe mubuyikirana kimubuyikirana nasi nyumba jivyo bosasima abatebinga ko Rwandizi TV twarure amayiga umurubirio gwensakya asekolende ngobira nelimbya mono akutwara toko bwatena borobwo ana mono wikirania umurubirio gwensakya tuguchakira Sabigal Nyanjama oyo bagakwene kinya chibiche chibwe na maliga beyo ikira asentira jobo ikira nunere Frida Kurubo yo bagakongali bagali abene gusanga no mugenito ase imambi ya abono korenekera kere no muchaka nonkere no mwelio nabukaniriye weekend engye nabo igumotwali tuko ligi ya weekend tukolinde nabukaniriye boliye obuya Imyandizi TV nabo obwansu bomubusi.
Ndizi TV obwansu bwomugusi. Kwekera bono ayebunu mwagachi kwa manyire duka okugenda kujya ibintu byose